What's up, peeps? What's going on? Hopefully everybody's doing pretty good out there. In this video, I'm gonna take y'all with me, man. We in the beast right now. We finna go get an oil change and whatnot. But I'm gonna be explaining the 3 main reasons why I'll never get rid of this car. All right, let's get into it, man. Right, let's get into it, peeps. My seatbelt on, my mask, got my wallet. So yeah, let's go on and get down to this Jiffy Lube, get this oil changed. But yeah, man. So I'm gonna be talking about the 3 main reasons I'll never get rid of my V6 Camaro. Okay, the first reason, which is a big reason, a big accomplishment for me, is this is the only vehicle, right? Only vehicle that I've ever bought brand new, had it the whole time, made payments on it, and paid it off. Okay, that's the first main reason. Because when I was a little bit younger, man, I did what a lot of younger individuals tend to do nowadays, you know, with this fast-paced society we live in, is I used to trade vehicles in a lot. You know, get a new car, keep it for a year, trade it in. And repeat that cycle. And I did it for about 4, I think I did it about 4 times. You know, I had a brand new Chevy truck back in the day. I had the brand new Impalas when they came out. I mean, you know, I've forgot about most of the cars I had, but again, I had all those cars and I got tired of doing that, because essentially what you're doing is, especially when you don't have a vehicle paid off, they're tagging some of that old payment onto your new payment. Okay, so once I figured it out, I'm like, nah, I don't want to keep doing that. Okay, that's what life is about. You're supposed to live and grow. Okay, so that's the first main reason why I'll never get rid of this car. Again, bought it brand new, had it from beginning to end, paid it off and all that. Okay, the second reason I won't get rid of this car is because at this point I have so much sentimental value, so much energy, so much time invested in this car. I can't get rid of it at this point, man. I mean, I would literally, there's no part in me with this car at this point, man. Like, the only way I'm gonna part with this car is through the junkyard, meaning it got totaled or something like that, or or through the casket, man. I'm going first. You know, I'm gonna just put it flat out like that. That's how much love and sentimental value I have for this vehicle, man. And when you tend to keep cars for as long as I've had this one, and you know, you've done so much to it, it attaches you to your vehicle. And again, that's what a lot of you know people don't have nowadays. Okay, so yeah, that's the second main reason. The third main reason I'll never get rid of this car is because I'm the only owner. Okay, seriously, I'm the only owner. So you don't see that. That's very rare in today's times that we live in the society that we live in, for a person to have a car for 10 plus years and had it, and they're the only owner. I mean, you just don't see that no more. You know what I mean? Again, you get a lot of people that are 2nd, 3rd, 4th owners, and which is nothing wrong with it, but how many people do you see that had a car for 5, 10, 15 years in this fast-paced society that we live in, from beginning to end, and you know, has fixed it up the way I did it? You know, and basically made and reinvented their own car, man. You don't see that no more. So I take pride in that. I really do. I take a lot of pride in that, because you don't see it happening anymore. And again, it's just so serious. Like, a person, this is how serious, so people can understand the severity of how I feel about this car, man. A person with a V8 SS 5th gen Camaro, not 6th gen, 5th gen, with a V8 SS or a ZL1, if they wanted to trade me car for car, if they wanted to trade me for my V6 for their ZL1 or V8 SS, I would not do it. That's how much I love this car. Okay, I won't even do it. To me, at this point, it ain't even worth it. Because if I do that, again, I'm trading off all of the time, the energy, the investment, and the sentimental value. I'm giving that away when I give this car up. okay, and me trading it for another engine just because it's a V8 or a ZL1, it ain't worth it. But yeah, so those are the main reasons that I'll never get rid of my car, man. Again, I just love the V6, man. I really do. I've made this car my own. Everything you guys see about this car, to the wheels, the rims, the exhaust system, it's all part of my personality, man. That's another reason too. I guess you can add it into the last main reason, is everything about this car, man, is a part and represents a part of my personality, okay? And when you trade your car in for somebody else's car, right, you're essentially taking on their personality. And don't get me wrong, there's a lot of dope Camaros out there, right? There is. I see a lot of them on the daily, and I'm not no hater. But again, it's just not me. A lot of them are just not my style exactly. And I can't sit there and get somebody else's car and feel like it's my car completely. Because if I do get somebody else's car, right, I'm gonna eventually start changing stuff about it to make it my own. But see, this car, I don't have to change nothing because it already is me, okay? So yeah, man, those are the main reasons, man. You know what I'm saying? And we finna pull up right here at the Jiffy Lube, and we finna get some more footage, man. Yeah, we finna get some more footage.
On down.
All right? Yeah,
and I'm thinking about, you know, it's for my channel because I got a Kriese TV. That's my YouTube channel. So basically, I documented everything I did in the past year. Lambo doors, all that is documented on my channel, man. So yeah, I did everything in this car, man. That's why I'm like, a lot of people like, oh man, why don't you just trade it up? I'm like, I don't put so much money in it now, bro. I'm not. You get attached to your cars when you do that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, hey man, I can't do that now, man. You know? Yeah, man, I can't do it at this point, bro. Sure, it's to the point a person, they couldn't even come and say, yeah, man, I got a ZL1 5th gen, because that's a 5th gen Camaro. Or, you know, I got a V8 SS, I'll trade you. It's so cold, I wouldn't even trade them for mine right now. That's how cold it is with mine, bro. I'm just like, nah, I'm cool, man.
You put all these upgrades in it, you already know.
Nah, bro, I don't know everything. I got every document, everything ever did to this car. I just can't get rid of it at this point, bro. Yeah, man. And see, I get that a lot too. A lot of people, especially when I put the IROC on there. And I remember when I first put the IROC badge on there, bro. That's before I even did any engine work.
Right.
I put it on there because I used to have some all chrome IROC wheels on there.
Okay, yeah.
Them is the black machine IROCs, but I had some other all chrome IROC wheels. That's really why I put the IROC badge on there for the wheels. But then people kept coming up, oh man, that's the IROC. What kind of car is that? And I'm like, oh, it's time to pep that engine up a little bit now.
Yeah, exactly. Y'all don't know about this shit.
Yeah. Yeah, they be like, man, they don't know what kind of Camaro it is because I got that IROC and the way it sound and stuff. They don't know what kind, bro.
That's all got a little power in this motherfucker.
Yeah.
Sound like.
Yeah, it get up a little bit for the V6 model, bro. It get up though. I put it like this, man. Any IROC edition, you know, 3rd gen Camaro IROC or like a 4th gen, if they're not heavily modded, bro, I'll leave them in that car.
Oh, okay.
No, seriously, and them is V8s, bro. That's a V6. So that says a lot right there, you know.
Especially you got them upgrades. I already know you probably got that now that quick.
Yes, yeah. That mug could take off, bro. Yeah, it's pretty cool though. Like it says.
I know, well, you got the rims on it, so you can't be fucking around.
No, not too much, man. And I'm finna actually put a bigger size tire because I want to get a tire lettering kit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know what I mean? And them tires on there right now, they so thin. Yeah. I need a little bit more rubber on there so you can, you know, see my tire lettering kit, bro. So yeah, that's gonna be another upgrade I put on there. Yeah, it do. It definitely do. But again, you know, I got it. It's really for looks, all that other shit I got on there because I don't drive it every day. I don't even really drive it. I just drive it to get oil changes, take it to like a little car show or something like that. That's it, bro. I don't drive it every day no more. No.
My nigga just got some, man, it's clean ass lack. Man, this shit called like 50.
Every day, exactly. I'm like, bro, I never understand why people do that. I even got a video telling people, look, man, if you putting all this money in your car, you cannot drive it every day, man. You can't do it. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man.
Putting all that wear and tear in your shit.
Nah, man.
Drive this old certification. Wife, you going out, baby, or something.
Exactly, bro. Exactly, man. No, but
Shoot,
it's about 140 now. Because again, when I first got it, It used to be the daily.
Yeah,
So I put a lot of, and being, I work in Tempe.
Okay.
So, Tempe, that rack up a lot of miles. And then I start getting smart. I'm like, no, I need another car because I don't want to see many miles on it.
Yeah.
But again, probably about a year ago, I just had the whole top of the engine rebuilt. So
drop it down.
exactly.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But yeah, it's a 140 on the dash though. But that mug's still kicking though, bro.
Yeah.
It's still kicking, man.
Yeah, man, take it easy on that joke. Definitely all that traveling. That's why I got the Lincoln in here. Because I was about to get the, I want the motherfucking Infinity truck.
Yeah.
I'm holding now because I'm like, now I work at the house.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I'm gonna get a damn new car and I don't even fucking go.
Yeah, no, exactly. No, you gotta be smart too, bro.
Yeah, I'm wasting $400 payment. I'm like, the car just chilling.
Exactly. Yeah, man. You know how it is when we be younger and stuff too. Cause I got to the point, especially when I got that one, cause I done had it paid off about 6 years now.
Right.
Cause it's a 2011. So.
Right.
And I was to the point I got tired of trading cars in and whatnot. Oh, they got your Lincoln. Yeah. Yeah, so he took it, man. He about to do it, man. Get it in there. Yeah, go on, get that oil change up in there, man. He didn't know I hit them cutouts open on it. He didn't know that though. Yeah. He didn't know it though. System, because I brought it here many times to put the.
So the barcode that we usually scan,
Yeah.
it's got a tear through it.
Oh, okay.
So the scanner won't read it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Hey, you like that, man? That's not bad, huh? It's a V6, bro.
Oh, I know. I got in and I started it. I was like, this is a V6?
Yeah, it's a V6.
Listen to it. It reminds me of my old V6.
Uh-huh.
It's a 03 Mustang.
Yeah.
It was my first car I got that I have on my license.
Oh, okay.
Like when I was driving legal.
Yeah.
And it was a 2003 3.8 V6 automatic Mustang.
Yeah.
It was slow as shit when I first got it.
Uh-huh.
Made maybe 100 horsepower to the tire. It was terrible. It weighs,
Oh, wow.
It weighs 3,000 pounds. That's a glorified boat that doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah.
Like,
Uh-huh.
So I turned around and I took like 3 Ford motors and made a 4.2 stroker out of it. It had a cam and it made like 350 with the tire.
Oh, nice,
I
nice.
had to build the trans in it, but that thing sounded just as mean as this.
Oh, okay, yeah, man. Bro, yeah, because a lot of people don't think, it's a V6. I'm like, no, it's just a V6, man. Don't sound like a regular one, but yeah.
Right.
Yeah, man. That's my baby right there. Yeah, and I got them cutouts on there too. I had the cutouts open. When you pulled it in, I shut them off though, once you pulled it in though, but yeah.
Yeah, I was like trying to figure out if it was dumped before or after the axle.
Yeah.
Right?
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, they pretty cool, man. We up here at the Jiffy Lube, getting the oil change. They're treating the car real nice. I like that. Treating it real good. Treating it real good.
Is that your car?
Oh yeah.
Thanks.
Oh yeah, bro. Yeah, that's my baby, man. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, it's a V6. I bought it brand new when the 5th gens came out.
Yeah.
So I've had it ever since, bro. Everything you see I did to it myself, man.
Nice.
Yeah, and it's like I said, it's a V6 too, bro.
Right.
So I just feel obligated to let people know that because it it don't sound like a V6, but it is though.
Yeah. That exhaust, man.
Yeah. No, I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Yeah, yes, sir, man. You in the like muscle type cars and stuff?
Yeah.
Semi?
Here and there, I just like adrenaline.
Okay, yeah, exactly. Yeah, me too. Yeah. Yes, sir, man. That's your truck right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Getting ready to sell it right now. So.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, exactly. Okay, you finna upgrade, get you something new?
Yeah.
What you think about?
I got a boat, so I need a Ram with a Hemi.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I mean, because I'm pretty sure, is that a V8?
Yeah.
You could pull it with that, but you could tell it's a lot of strain probably on that motor. You ain't pulling it with ease probably, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel you.
Well, I towed it already, but
Yeah.
it's just not gonna work.
Yeah. No, I feel you, bro.
It ain't
Yeah.
gonna work, so you gotta go.
Yeah. I feel you, man.
$4 grand.
Oh, that's a good price. How many miles on it?
120.
Oh, that's not bad. What year is that?
07.
Oh, that's not bad for that price, man.
Got some issues, but
Yeah, that's still not bad. And the mileage is for that, you know, a vehicle of that age, bro.
yeah, right.
Yeah, because that's 07. This Camaro right here, because it used to be the daily. It's not the daily no more. I got a $140 on it, you know. But I just had the engine rebuilt like about a year ago and stuff like that. So, but still, it has more miles than that though, you know. And it's newer, so yeah, that's not bad, man. Yes, sir. Hey, bro, you be cool, man. It was good chopping it up with you, bro.
Yeah, for sure. What's your joint on YouTube?
It's Kriese TV, bro. Kriese TV.
I see that KRE.
Yeah, KRIESE TV. And check me out, bro. And if you got Instagram and all that, bro, let me know, man. We can, you know, link up and stuff, bro. All right, you be cool now. You be cool, man.
Yeah, have a good
Hey,
day.
you too, bro.
Hopefully I'll see you soon.
Oh, hey, man, you gonna see me soon, bro. What's the name of the pawn shop again?
A1 Pawn Shop.
A1 Pawn Shop, okay. Got you. Y'all be cool, be safe now.
Yeah, you too.
A little bit easier because I'm already brought this car in numerous times,
yeah,
so
exactly.
yeah, you know.
Yeah, we had the system.
Uh-huh.
I remember that for I was here the first time too. All
Yes.
right. So Mr. Walton, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Down here again at the Jiffy Lube down here in Maricopa, and they're pretty good. I've been coming here over a year now, and the service is phenomenal. And yeah, for the, you know, the price is a little bit high, I ain't gonna lie, but it's worth you trading in your time. They're in and out. You ain't gotta leave your car up at a shop all day. That's what I do like about it, and that's worth the penny. Okay. Yeah.
All right. So we got the sticker. We set it for 5,000 miles. Is that okay for you?
That's fine. Yep.
Okay. Very good.
That's normally when I do it. It's
Yeah.
every 5, but I hardly drive that car. I don't even
Right.
think I reached 5,000 when I had the other, but it's been about
Yeah.
6 months now.
Right.
So I still
yeah,
just
you
like,
didn't even come close to 5. You've driven 26 a week.
really?
Yeah.
Since the last time?
Since the last
Oh,
time.
wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because again, it's not the daily or nothing like that. So
Right. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, just 2,600 miles. And just so you know, for you know, I know you obviously preference is your preference, but
Yeah.
it's good for 1 year. This oil.
Oh, is it? Okay. No, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're good for a full year.
Okay.
Without any risk of separation or anything like that.
Okay.
So yeah, just so you know, and then you can make your own call.
Okay. No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so
I thought it was either, because, you know, I'm old school.
Right.
Either every 6 months
Right,
or
exactly.
5,000 miles.
Right.
So,
yeah, this oil's rated for up to 1 full year.
okay.
You know, especially if it's like a garage clean, you know, like it doesn't like a lot of mileage.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 year is not a problem.
Okay.
All
No,
right.
that's good to know, man. I appreciate that.
no
Yeah,
problem.
appreciate that.
Sure. All right. So you're paying by cash or card?
Card. Okay, well, I guess I'll see you guys in a year with this
Right.
card then.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I mean, hey, I want your business, but you know, we gotta be fair.
No, but exactly, and I appreciate that, man.
Thank you, man.
If you hadn't told me that, I was coming back in
Right.
another 6 months. But
Right.
okay.
Yeah, there's no need for that because
Okay.
you're using the top of the line oil, so
Okay.
good to go, man.
Okay, I appreciate it. Have a good one. You too. Yeah. So we all done, baby. Y'all see it? That man told me we ain't gotta do it for a year, man. You know. Another for a year, man. Y'all know how it is, man. Yeah. So that's what it is. She up. She ready to go for another year, and that's how we gonna end this one, baby. Y'all be cool, man. If y'all ain't logged in, y'all sign in to Kriese TV. Y'all know what to do, man. We at the Jiffy Lube. We getting ready to make an exit right now. Y'all be safe, be cool, and I'll holler at y'all on the flip side, man.